Hello, so today I will teach you how to make your player collide with other objects and take damage and eventually die after a few hits. So I already set up this small scene, so as you can see you're the blue circle and you can move around, so now you can't yet hit the enemies or the red circles, which will act as our enemies. So now, the first thing you need to do is go to your player and add a circle collider 2D. Now for my player, I need to edit the circle collider to make it right around the blue circle. Just like that. And to all our enemy minions, we need to add another circle collider 2D. And I also got to edit them too, so I'll be right back when I do edit them. Alright, I'm done. So now, as you can see, we can successfully collide with the circles and not just go over them. Now we'll make it so when we collide with the red circles 3 times, we will die and the respawn button will appear. Okay, so first of all, we want to create a new UI button. Double click on it and let's just put it in the middle of the screen, just like that. I will make the button black. Now the normal color won't be any color. The highlighted color will be grayish, like that. The press color will be a bit more gray. Selected color a bit less gray. More than highlighted color but less than press color. And disabled color will just be transparent. Now I will just edit the text to say respawn. Increase the font size a bit and change the colors to white so we can see it. I will also change the name of the button to respawn button. After that, we want to create an empty game object, which we will name our scene manager. Now we want to add a component and add a new script called scene management. After that, we can edit the script and do some programming. So first of all, we gotta using Unity engine dot scene management, so we can switch scenes. Now we will delete both these voids. Made a void restart game. In here we'll make scene manager dot load scene, and in here we will have our name of the scene, which currently for the scene I want to reset is sample scene. So we will just type in sample scene, just like that. Oh, also don't forget to make the restart game, the void restart game, a public void, or the script will not work properly. Now we will go to our respawn button, scroll down. When we get to the bottom section, add a new on-click and drag in our scene manager. And after that, just select our restart game function. Save everything because you don't want everything deleted if Unity just randomly crashes. Now, as you can see, if we click on the respawn button, it will reset the scene. You currently can't see that, but if I move here, click the respawn button, it will reset the scene. I will just change the background color to something like this, so we can actually see the outline of the button when we click it. Now what we want to do is edit our player controller script. So we will make a public game object restart button. In voice start, we will type restart button dot set active false, so we don't see it immediately when we start the game. And we will also make a public int health, which will be equals to, let's say, 3. After that, we will create a void on collision enter 2D, and first off we need to go to our Unity project, add a new tag called enemy, select all our enemies and give them the tag enemy. That's because we will write an if collision dot game object dot tag is enemy. We will make health equals health minus 1. And just like that, we made our health go down by 1. Now we will make it so when our health is less equals or less to 0, the player will disappear and the restart button will appear. So let's make an if statement. So if health is less or equal to 0, then we will make the restart button dot set active to true, and our player will get destroyed with this line of code. Save the script and go back to Unity. Now in our player we have the restart button right here, and we can just take this respawn button, drag it in to here. We can save our game, and we have done it. If I touch an enemy 3 times, the respawn button will appear and our player will disappear. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope you learned something new and that you can use this tutorial for your own games. Don't forget to suggest me tutorials to make down in the description below, because I love making tutorials that you guys need, and I would have a lot of fun in making them. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see ya next time.